Okay, I think I'm gonna put this on because it'll take all of my hair out of my face. It's so hot the past 2 days here in Massachusetts. It's where I live. It's like really crazy. It's been like 80 degrees and it's not even, well, it's finally spring, but it's been so hot for no reason, which I'm not complaining about, but it was like strangely 80 degrees and I was just kind of in awe. Peptide glazing fluid on again. I just got ready for dinner. We're going to get sushi, me and my mom and her friend from California who's home. And I'm just wearing these white pants. I'll link everything down below. I literally forget where they're from. I'm like that, and I have a sweater on. Put my hair in a clip because it's dirty, honestly. And I just got my toes done. Whoa, why is that so smooth? And I just got a pedicure. I just did this cream color, and I have these like white cargo pants. And I did a pinky color for Easter. What is on the shirt right here? I need to put perfume on. I've really been wearing the Jimmy Choo one a lot recently. And I mixed the one that is called I Heart You and Illicit Flower, and I mixed those. And they smell really good, but I don't know what this is. I need to wipe it off. But, okay, let's go.
Side of udon you can order, or if you want the soba noodles.
Okay, I've stuffed mushrooms. I'm making baked shell. And then what did you get? Hold on, why don't you hand it over to her? I want to get her a sweet cup of normal.
Oh, I wanted these. I have to get those. I'm gonna finish the neck. I think all this off.
What do I need to sleep?
Oh.
Huh?
Oh, I love the La Creuset cups. They have them there? Huh?
Yeah, why do you look at me like that?
Does have this there? Seems like a man.
It smells so good. I was like, just a little thought.
This was a good thought. You did good.
You like that cup? I thought you were looking at that one, but.
I like both. Honestly? Yeah, I like this too.
I didn't get chocolate and candy, so if you guys don't
I don't eat that.
like Easter bunny stuff.